obviously Wisconsin known for cheese. What is the best form of cheese?
The best form of cheese is on a New York pizza.
Welcome to the 2-Minute Drill presented by HCL Tech. Jets, Packers in Green Bay. EA, a lot of connections between these teams.
Yeah, a lot of connections. Robert Saleh and Matt LaFleur, best friends, of course. The Jets offensive coordinator, Mike LaFleur, is Matt LaFleur's younger brother. But big picture here, both these teams are looking to go to 4-2. The Jets, in fact, are trying to secure a third consecutive road victory and a third victory overall concurrently for the first time since 2010. When they did that, they made the playoffs back in 2010, of course. Conversely, you're looking at a Packers team that is coming off a loss under Matt LaFleur in Green Bay. The Packers are 10-0 in such occasions. And then speaking of their home field dominance, they've won their last 15 regular season games at Lambeau.
Yeah, it's a very impressive stat. A lot of it has to do with the back-to-back MVP in the NFL. That's Aaron Rodgers, who has an interesting friendship with Jets quarterback Zach Wilson.
Yeah, well, let's talk about Zach Wilson. Since Week 12 last season, he's one of 4 players in the National Football League with at least 5 touchdowns on the ground and 5 touchdowns in the air. And he has been money in the fourth quarter. 6 possessions in the fourth quarter of the last 2 games, 5 touchdowns, 1 kneel down. Aaron Rodgers has been unbelievable coming off losses, though. Since 2019, 9-0, 24 touchdowns, 0 interceptions. He's adjusting to life without Devontae Adams. I'm going to be watching the running backs in this game because Breece Hall leads the National Football League with 6.7 yards a touch, but Green Bay Packers running back Aaron Jones is right behind him at 6.5 yards a touch.
It's a great point, and you just laid out the Aaron Rodgers number. So let me ask you this. What is the recipe for a Jets victory on Sunday?
Well, my X factors here are the special teams because the Jets so far this season, they're even. And in their 3 victories, they were even against the Cleveland Browns, but in plus differential against both the Miami Dolphins and the Pittsburgh Steelers. The Green Bay Packers, they've struggled here out of the gate in the turnover category. They're just -3. But under Matt LaFleur, they are 30-0 when they win the turnover battle. Finally, let's talk about special teams. The Jets right now performing really well across the board, while you're looking at a Packers team that has struggled with their special teams unit, especially with ball security.
And Justin Hardy, to your point, the highest graded Pro Football Focus player among special teamers who have played at least 50%, could be a big X factor to EA's point on Sunday in Green Bay.